I'll teach you how to compress your videos to save your data. It was 25 megabytes, and after I have finished compressing it, now it has reduced to only 2.0 megabytes. You see originals, you see albums, you see compressed. In this video, I'll be teaching you a tool that reduces the size of videos while maintaining its quality as much as possible. I'll teach you how to compress your videos to save your data. You see, nowadays data bundle is now expensive and a lot of people are finding ways to always manage their data. After learning this, you always manage your data whenever you want to send videos to other people. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our amazing videos. Like this video to show me some love. So this is the first interface you are going to see after opening the app. So the first one, you see originals, you see albums, you see compressed. Yes, so with the original, you are going to see all your videos. Yes, because it has not been compressed, you see it in the originals. If you have videos that are very large, yes, the megabyte is large, all you need to do is to bring it to this app and then compress it so that it will reduce the size, and then you are going to manage your data. Yes, the original, you are going to see your videos there, and then you have the albums. If you are looking for a video that you want to choose from your albums, you go to your albums and then you search for it. Yes, and then the third one we have is the compressed. You can see the compressed here. You can see the compressed. So all these videos I've already compressed them. Yes, I've compressed them long time. You can see the videos. So now, how do you compress? When you go to the original, you search for the video you want to compress and then you click on it. So let's say I want to compress this video, so I'm going to choose this video and then compress it for you to see. When you click on it, then you click on next. So here we have small file, we have medium file. With the medium file, we have better quality. We also have large file. With the large file, you are going to maintain the original resolution. So normally I go with the medium file, better quality. Yes, and then better megabytes. So when you use the medium file, you get better quality, then you also, the megabytes will also reduce. So normally I go with the medium file. So the number 2. When you use the small file, the quality of the video will reduce. You see, so as you can see, low resolution, the quality of the video will reduce. So normally I use the second one, which is medium file. You can also use the large file depending on you. So I click on the medium file, then I click on compress. So when you click on compress, you are going to wait for the app to squeeze the video, to compress the video. So we are waiting. It has finished. We have 100%. So as you can see, the video I chose, it was 25 megabytes. It was 25 megabytes. And after I have finished compressing it, now it has reduced to only 2.0 megabytes. So you can see it has reduced the megabytes. So meaning if you save this and then you send it to somebody to download, instead of the person going to use 25 megabyte. The person will now use 2.0 megabyte. The person is going to save data. You get so if you are a content creator, or maybe you teach online just like I do, after preparing your videos, you can go to this app and then compress it. When you compress it, your students will be happy. They are not going to spend a lot of data downloading your videos. You get? Yes. So after you are done, you click on save. You just click on save. When you click on save, it will save in your phone. If you don't also want to save the video, you can just go ahead and then share it to your group. You can share it to anybody you want to share the video to. Yes, you can also replace the compressed video with the original video. So after you are done, I'll save it. I'll click on save. Yes, so it has finished saving. So the name of this app is called Panda Video. Panda. So you can go to Play Store. When you go to Play Store, then you search for Panda Video, or when you just say Panda, just write Panda and then you search. So when you search for Panda, you can see the application here. So if you have not downloaded, you just click on download, and then when it finishes downloading, then you install. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, kindly subscribe, like this video. You can also leave a comment. Tell us what you want to learn from us. Leave a comment. Tell us what you want to learn from this channel.